Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing these new 2024 AirPod Maxes. So, the 2024 edition comes with USB Type-C charging connector. So, USB-C, AirPods Max with smart case. And the color of this one is, I believe it's called Midnight. Yep, called Midnight. Cool, let's get into it. These are my first time getting AirPod Maxes, so super excited. Let's check out. Wow. All right. Nice. Oh man. These look really nice in Midnight. Oop. Oh, interesting. Okay, that just falls off. Show you it all in the case first. Alright, let's take it out of the case. Wow. Oh, this comes off too. Oh, just little protectors. Wow. Super, super nice. Let's see what's in here. And this is just USB-C cable, but I'll show you all what it looks like. Oh, let me show you the connector. Yep, USB-C 2024 edition. I think these are considered Gen 2. But yeah, really sturdy build quality, feels really nice. Midnight looks really good. This is how Midnight looks compared to the black titanium Apple Watch 2. So you can see these side by side. Super clean. Midnight's really, really, really pretty. Cool. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. I'll catch you all in the next unboxing video. Later.